Hi folks, we're going to update our USB formatting process that we've used for a long time. This process is kind of going away, but we still need it in some cases, and so we want to show you how we recommend doing this. Now, one word is that it would be really helpful if you had a USB with an LED on it so that you can see it actually flashing and talking to the camera, but that's just a little side note. Also, a smaller USB is better than bigger. But this video is going to show you actually how to make that smaller so that you can use pretty much almost any USB for this process. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go over and go to our start menu on our Windows machine. And we're going to just type in the words format. So let me do that real quick. Format. And here you're going to see something pop up in Windows that says create and format hard disk partitions. So we're going to click on that. We're going to take our USB stick and we are going to plug this into the computer. Now, this is what disk management looks like. And as I plug in that USB into my computer, you're going to see something that says new volume. That is my USB stick that I have. It's a 1 gig USB drive. Okay, now I want to right click on this and say delete volume and say yes. It says I'm going to delete everything on this USB stick. Are you sure you want to do that? Yes. And this is correct. I want it to say unallocated. Okay. Unallocated is correct. Now we're going to right click and say new simple volume and walk through this wizard. And when you get to this screen that says specify the volume size, I want you to type in 256. Okay. That's 256 megabytes. We're going to click through here. It can be called whatever we want. If you're doing, depending on the camera you're doing, some take FAT32. Most of our cameras take FAT32. And so I'm going to say that's fine and click through. And then as that kind of finishes up, it's going to open up a little window that looks like this. Okay, so that is the entire process. Now we take the actual baseboard file, HD20, and we drag it onto this folder right here. So I want you to drag the HD20 file into here and then eject the USB stick and then continue on with the update process. Okay, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and hopefully that's helpful for you. All right, thanks a lot.